चला मीटिंग आए हैं. Hi.
How are you doing?
Very good.
Tell us about the experience of shopping around.
I love Aldo. I always shop from Aldo. मुझे बहुत पसंद है और यहाँ के साइजेस अच्छे हैं. मुझे कंफर्टेबल लगते हैं जूते. इनफैक्ट कभी आप पार्टी करने जाओ तो Aldo के शूज़ बेस्ट होते हैं अगर आपको हील्स पहनने. एज अ गर्ल यू नो विच ब्रांड सूट्स यू एंड दे हैव रियली कूल कलेक्शंस क्योंकि Aldo has fun pairs, they have like classy pairs, they have printed pairs, they have everything. So I love Aldo.
How difficult was it to choose around from many options available?
लड़कियों के लिए तो मुश्किल ही होता है. आप दो चीज़ें भी रख दो तो बहुत मुश्किल होता है. ब्लैक और वाइट डिसाइड करने में ही मुश्किल होता है. तो हाँ, it was quite difficult to look and find the perfect pair, but I managed to.
Which outfit are you wearing today?
I'm wearing Demi by Gabriela Dimitriak, and it's a play suit. I feel summery. I like it.
Priya, what's on the professional front?
My film is due to release, Bang Chor. As of now, we've announced 22nd October as the release date. So looking forward. It's a Yash Raj film opposite Ritesh Deshmukh. So yeah, as of now that, and currently filming something else, but can't say much.
So planning to endorse any brands or something like that?
I just endorsed a brand called Yepme, and I also shot for Ching's. So I'm planning to endorse many brands. So let's see what happens next.
Priya, do you feel that endorsing a brand, is it safe for sellers nowadays?
Safe as it?
As in the ongoing Nestle issues which was on it.
Right.
So according to, what's your take on it?
I think you should endorse any brand that you actually like and you actually would use. And काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें होती हैं जो सेलिब्रिटीज़ को पता नहीं होती. अब फूड प्रोडक्ट्स के अंदर क्या है, हम लोग FDI तो है नहीं कि हम लोग देखेंगे and we'll see what is inside it. So I think celebrities just endorse brands based on the fact that they like the product. Done? Thank you guys. See you. Tata.
And who's going to ask me the questions? Good. Oh, she's there. Thank you. I was like, who's going to ask me the questions?
No, I thought they were just rolling.
Thank you. Thank you.
Tell us about this Aldo and your connection.
So listen, this is great. I just walked in here and I heard I'm going to get a gift. So I think it's lovely that Aldo has partnered with IFA this time, and it's always lovely to get a gift from Aldo. I've been using the brand for many years. I think since I've come to India, there's Aldo India. I mean, there's Aldo everywhere, and I'm from Brazil, so I use Aldo in Brazil too. So I'm really happy that the guys just decided to do this together.
So what do you mostly prefer, heels or flats?
I'm quite tall, so I really like to wear flats. I like to wear flats a lot, but if it requires, then pair of heels.
So if you can tell us which outfit are you wearing tonight?
This is Manish Malhotra's nephew. He's creating his new line, and his name is Dave. Karan Malhotra. Karan Malhotra. So yeah, I have my great stylist here, and he's got me the dress. So Karan Malhotra, yeah, I've not worked with him before. This is the first time I'm wearing his dress.
So what's coming on work? You recently did a Nike song also.
Yeah, I did a song for the movie Robin Hood Ke Pote. I think releasing this year. and it's a great song. I don't know if it's gonna beat Subah Hone Na De, but it's a great number. It's a great number, and couple of films this year, which I'm really happy. Maybe 2 releasing in October and another one in January. So good.
So lastly, if you would be like given the chance to give this pair of photos to any of your celebrity friends, who would it be?
Nobody, I'm keeping it. Like what? Why should I give it? Thank you guys, thank you. Who wants to give? Thank you. Wow, but I
Thank you.
So tell us the connection with all.
Aldo, it's actually a very old connection. Always fond of wearing accessories. So, so that's one connection I always have with Aldo. So whenever I look for something, so always go to Aldo to look for accessories with t-shirts to match with. So yeah.
Since that movie is just released, so what kind of compliments and reactions are you getting from the fans and family there?
They're liking the film, and if we talk about the film, I'm playing a singer in that, and it's something I actually do in my real life as well. So and people are really appreciating the music. So yeah.
So any Aldo, like maybe jewelry or purse or t-shirt, anything, any Aldo product you would like to give to some of your friends who
Anything. I think accessory I'm always fond of, like I already said, and of course wallet is something I really want to give. Yeah.
any upcoming movies or projects?
I'm working something on my singing, and as far as movies concerned, just in the talks. So yeah.
Working on your single.
Yeah, I sing as well. So yeah.
So what's your favorite song?
From a film, or like
Any of your all time.
like I would say, I will talk about my film Ishq Dariyan. So yeah, my favorite song from my film is Thursday, in which I am picturized as well.
So Ojai, you like it?
You want me to sing?
Yes.
Okay. Should I pick up the mic or just say?
Yeah,
दस दे वे रब्बा सानू दस दे क्यों रो पैंदे नैन जदू हस दे किवे सहांगे टुटे ख्वाबा दा नुकसान किवे सहांगे टुटे ख्वाबा दा नुकसान उंगलां ते रह गए छलियां दे निशान दस दे वे रब्बा सानू दस दे थैंक यू थैंक यू
What a nice setup. Very well organized. With Aldo, it's a shoe connection. That's what it is. मुझे जैसे सारी लड़कियों को जूते बहुत पसंद है. मेरी मम्मी कहती है कि ओ माय गॉड एक दिन मैं एक सेल करने वाली हूँ ताकि ये सारे जूते इस घर से निकल जाएं क्योंकि मैं I'm an obsessive shoe shopper. Heels. मेरी हाइट ज़्यादा नहीं है तो I love my heels. The higher my heels, the happier that I am.
Any of you almost like would like to give to any of your celebrity friend who would be?
Oh, I think I'd give some really funky Aldos, like which are a little more chunky and with like good, जैसे उनके जो boots है ना, that I'd probably present somebody like Sonakshi because I think she likes that little bad girl image. मैं ज़्यादातर ये जो glittery वाले pumps हैं, वो मैं अपने लिए रखूँगी. और काजल को ज़्यादा heels पसंद नहीं है, तो मैं उसे slightly lower heel वाले जूते दे दूँगी. I'm here, aren't I? एक्चुअली इस साल मैं आईफा नहीं जा पाऊँगी क्योंकि मैं मम्मी के साथ कुछ अलग प्लान्स हैं मेरे. सो विच अभी मैं सब कुछ आपके सामने नहीं रिवील करने वाली. I've just launched my production house, so it's a lot of hard work. Acting is a lot more fun, so I'm doing a lot of that as well. But I think starting a business, getting into production is not easy at all. So I'm just taking one step at a time, taking it slowly. देखो, film making मेरे खून में है, तो I just want to make movies that people will enjoy and be entertained with because that's what movies are about. हम हिंदुस्तानी हैं, हमें थिएटर में जाके पॉपकॉर्न खा के पिक्चर देखना है, ताली बजाना है, गाने देखने हैं, मज़े करने हैं. हमें ज़्यादा सोचना नहीं है. Which was the last movie? Which was the last movie I saw? नहीं, actually मैंने तनु with Manu देखा last. That was the last one that I saw, and I loved it. I thought it was fab.
You said films are of that. I mean, obviously, you're from the fourth generation, if I'm not wrong. And you said that you watched Tanu at Manu. So from there, from black and white era to now, do you think it's like coming around somewhere for women-centric films that we now?
Not at all. आप क्या कह रहे हो? Women-centric films have always been around. From a Mother India to a Damini to a, I mean, like, there have been so many films revolving around women. I think it's just cinema takes its phases. और अभी ये phase अच्छा है for women-centric films. I think what's different now is that older women, like who've already had their careers and now they're getting into films, like Sridevi and Madhuri, they're able to now work when they were not able to earlier. Can you tell me something about it? I'm watching the same promos that you're watching. I'm loving the promos. Okay. keeping summers in mind, I think wear lots of color. I love color. I wear a lot of, you know, thin fabrics, not very thick fabrics, a lot of cotton, because I love cotton. We live in India. And yeah, just keep it light, keep it summery, and have fun with your style during the summer. I'm here to talk about Aldo, and you're not taking a full. Sorry. No, it's with my mom and me. Yeah. The news has already come out. You're welcome.
एल्डो के इस स्टोर में मैं पहली बार आई हूँ, बट आई एम बिग फैन ऑफ एल्डो. इट्स इन इन्फिनिटी 2, जो मेरा रैंडम लाइक आई विजिट देयर एवरी टाइम आई विजिट द मॉल. And I think their bags are lovely, especially those clutch bags, and of course the heels. As you can really trust those heels whenever you're traveling or you're attending a function, they'll never break. Because I have experienced that. So with Aldo, you have that peace of mind, which is very important. And then yes, the comfort level, which is very, very important for women in today's day and date, when we are, you go to a place like IFA where you exaggerated like a red carpet, and so you need that peace of mind with the blessed heels like these. So I think that's one reason I'm here. तैयारियां तो बहुत की थी, आप लोग थे. But to be honest, I think there was certain censor conflicts that happened at the last moment, जिसकी वजह से we lost a lot of theatres. But the work of the actors have been really appreciated, and I am getting a lot of very good response from the directors and especially the industry people. So I'm sure, I am getting a lot of work. I have already signed up other 2 films, so I think I have, and plus all the other actors have been benefited from the project. Rest, it's the fate of the film. I think beyond the point, we've met, we've spoken, we've promoted the film. Beyond that point, there's nothing that an actor can do. So yeah.
कोई भी ब्रांड की एडवर्टाइज के पहले आप अपने को कितना सेफ रखती हैं, क्योंकि अभी मैगी को लेकर काफ़ी ज़्यादा चर्चा में चल रहा है, तो आप क्या कहेंगे?
मैं समझी नहीं आपका क्वेश्चन.
आप किसी भी ब्रांड के एडवर्टाइज को लेकर अपने को कितना सेफ रखती हैं?
किस तरह से सेफ आप? Okay.
How conscious are you to R&D for those brands and all? That's really tough.
No, why would I be conscious? Of course, you have to be confident about the brand. I think that's very important. You need to be confident about the brand yourself, and you should be using it before endorsing it. So I wouldn't endorse something that I don't personally like it, because then I guess I'm faking it. So I would never do that. Else it's... I did not wear that necklace. I am not a very accessory person. Basically, I like to be very simple. I'm sure you must have seen in my interviews. So I'm not a very accessory person, but I guess today I'm going to try, because I'm here and I must try something, and of course in IFA, so I'm going to maybe add few things from here and make my outfits look even better, the ones I'm using for red carpet in IFA. Thank you. Thanks.
Can you just be a bit louder? I can't hear, sorry.
I just said that you're looking very beautiful.
Thank you.
And I want to know your connection with Aldo.
I think every girl has a connection with Aldo, and we all have bought shoes or maybe bags or maybe tiny little earrings from Aldo, and I think it's an amazing place to shop, and I just love this brand.
What do you mostly prefer, heels or bags?
I think heels to save me any time. If I have to buy heels for the next day, I just quickly rush to Aldo, and I always get a pair of my size and my comfort and the color I desire. So it's really quick and it's really nice.
Do you think it's the time of this year?
Yes.
So how is the impression for the red carpet?
I think For the red carpet, I've still not decided what I'm going to be wearing, but I think I'm going to be doing the trials today. So hopefully something I'll figure out really soon.
So, any nomination for your movie?
Yes, my movie Yariyan, which I directed, it's nominated in the Best Music category, and I really hope that it wins the IFA.
And then again, you're gearing up with Sanam.
Yeah.
So, any updates when the trailer will launch?
See, right now I'm still shooting Sanam Re. I've shot half of it, and half of it is still to go. So directly from IFA, I'm going to Ladakh for my next sketch, and I think by August I'll be able to complete the film, and after that I'll be doing the post-production, and I think then we'll plan up.
So, how's it working with all these 3 young actors?
I think it's very nice when you're working with a young star cast, because as a director, you know, you can tap onto their potential, and there's a lot of unexplored potential in them, and you know, when you know that they have so much inside which you can bring out, then it's definitely very exciting, and that's what I'm trying to do in Sanam Re.
So, any Aldo pairs you'd like to give to your celebrity friends who will
Although pairs, like out of my collection or out of like.
out of these collections?
I think I really need to look around to select the right pair, but I think not just one pair, there's so many beautiful pairs around, and which I'm sure I can pick up for myself as well as give to many other friends of mine.
Lastly, what do you think about the Aldo's association with IFA?
I think it's a great association because both have established themselves as a good brand. Aldo is all over, you know. I stay in Lokhandwala, and I don't even need to come so far to visit an Aldo store. It's right next to my house, and IFA has also really established itself over the years gone by, and we all look forward to IFA Awards, and I think it's a great association for them to be together. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I'll just see.
Yeah, please. Here also, ma'am. Tell me about it. Camera look, ma'am. Yes, not this one. Ma'am, turn the bodies. This one, yeah.
Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it. Satish first.
Thank you. Camera look, ma'am.
She's also very pretty, but you know, basics are always best.
This wants to back out the edges.
All are nice. It's fine. All are nice. I just want basics. Yeah.
मैम ये ऊपर मैम ये ऊपर
Ma'am, to your left.
This side, this side. Thank you.
My first iPhone words. Wish me luck, please.
खड्डा बड़ा एकदम
मान गया
Super fun. Actually, could you guys see me rocking this? Do you think I could get away with this? Oh, that one, I think of the front one.
The other one.
The other one, which one? There. Oh, yeah.
अरे गड्ढे में गिर अरे रोक रहे अरे
Or maybe some shoes if you want to try.
देख कैमरा
Guys, I'm very into this.
मी तुमच्यासाठी मी मारला नाही
I don't mind these either. These do not look like
Party.
but I like
वाटी
yeah, these are good. Actually, I want ones, no, like the platform ones.
Platforms we can call this one.
No, not what do you call them? No, it's like yeah, this one's baby. Guys, what do you think? This one?
ये लाइट को मार रहे हैं
अरे
You want to check it too? Okay. Yeah, I want to check.
चला भाई उद्या हाय
But that one look nice with my dress.
Do you want to try this? 38.
वन थिंग एक्सक्यूज मी चलो अब सीरियस काम करो मस्ती बहुत हो गई अरे भाई थोड़ा पार्टी है ना ये अरे मित्रा अरे मित्रा तुझा लाईट येतो यार अरे रुको डराओ मत यार
लाइट को मारा है
एक्सक्यूज मी पीछे आओ भाई पीछे लास्ट है भाई पार्टी है ना
Where are those shoes?
ये क्या है यू कैन टेक अनदर
Okay, black one. So should I go sneakers or should I go heels?
पार्टी राइट
Shoes? This one?
दोनों दोनों
Sneakers? You think sneakers?
अरे स्ट्रेट यार
दोनों अच्छे हैं
I call it here. Do you think heels? Sneakers? Yeah. In pink? Nice. It's gonna look really weird with my dress on. You know that movie Runaway Bride with Julia Roberts? Under her like wedding dress, she always had sneakers on. It's like me right now. It's actually cool, huh? Okay, done. 100% done. Yeah. It doesn't match my dress. What do you think, guys?
वाओ
Wow.
Awesome.
Awesome, huh? What do I do now? This is perfect, right? I can sit here.
Just look here,
I
man.
have to put this shoe.
Look here, man. Just look here. Okay, nice.
Super.
और लो लेयर Look here. अगं तिथं काय बघतो ऐसा पैन कर
What's really in fashion right now?
Pink. I think it's rose gold. So
Yeah, you should take
it's hot.
Pink must be the my god, but I feel this is so like
I love the tie-up.
this is like Greek goddess type.
Oh, yeah.
She can pick one of them for a video.
Which white? Tell na the. क्या final किया? ये वाला
वहाँ से कौन आ रहा है 1 घंटे से छोड़ा हुआ है मैंने ए पीछे आ। ओए
जोर से बोलना है। Okay. Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Okay. Tell us how's the experience shopping around.
Sorry?
Tell us how's the experience shopping around.
Well, the experience is great. I had a tough decision to choose between the light pink shoe or the white shoe. और मैंने एक्चुअली आप लोगों को पूछा कि कौन सा सबसे पसंद करते हैं, लेकिन थोड़ा सा डिफ़िकल्ट हुआ क्योंकि ये लोग सफ़ेद बोला और ये लोग पिंक वाले बोला, लेकिन फाइनली मैंने सफ़ेद वाले जूते चूज़ किया. सो या आई जस्ट होप दे आर गोना गेट इट इन माय साइज.
किस तरह की तैयारी चल रही है आईफा के लिए? काफ़ी कुछ चूज़ करना पड़ेगा वहाँ पर.
एक्चुअली मैं आईफा के लिए नहीं जा रही हूँ, मैं स्वीडन के लिए जा रही हूँ. वो मेरा आईफा है. So yeah, I'm actually going back home to Sweden for a vacation with my family, 6 तारीख को. So I'm not going to IFA this year. So yeah.
How difficult or easy is it for you to shop around? इतने सारे options उसमें से best choose करना.
हाँ, मतलब easy कभी नहीं है. I always take so much of like hours whenever I go for shopping. I have to look at every single dress, every single shoe, and like that, you know. So it takes time, and yeah, I always find it so difficult to like choose. So I always ask, you know, my friends or like other people, like जैसे मैंने आज आप लोगों को पूछा. So yeah, but I mean it's fun. I love shopping.
Ali, planning to endorse some brand or something?
Sorry?
Planning to endorse some brand or
If
something?
I'm planning to endorse some brand, yeah, you know, I mean, I would love to endorse a lot of brands. So yeah, I'm waiting for them.
So, do you? This is going to be something different because nowadays we can see some shoes coming up with different brands coming up with some national issues and everything. So, according to, is it safe for a celeb or something to do something like that to endorse a brand? Is it safe for you?
If it's safe, like, sorry.
So just say that you're married.
If any comment, you can just give.
Sorry?
You can just say that you have. That's why you have a management team. He will look
आप
at
ब्रांड को चूज करने से पहले क्या
Yeah,
टेस्ट करते हैं?
Well, I got so confused right now. No, actually, I don't think really I will choose about that right now. I mean, I have my managers on board and all who helps me to do all these things. And yeah.
फिल्म के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे, कहाँ तक इसको देखोगे, कब तक ये कंप्लीट करना कराएंगे?
कब रिलीज़ होगा मुझे पता नहीं है एक्चुअली, बट होपफुली सून. And shooting तो it's over. We only have like one song left to shoot. और dubbing ये सभी चल रहा है and also yeah, but it's nice. Thank you. Guys, thank you.
you want to know